Let's talk about the CV axle, one of the hardest working parts on the vehicle that barely gets noticed, until it fails. CV stands for constant velocity. This axle connects the transmission or differential to the wheel, transferring torque while allowing full movement from the suspension and steering. It does that using two flexible joints. The inner joint handles the in and out of suspension travel, and the outer joint keeps things rotating smoothly while the wheels turn. CV axle boots are rubber covers that protect the CV joints on your car's axle. Over time, the boots can tear. When this happens, grease leaks out and dirt gets in, which causes the joints to wear out faster. This wear can lead to clicking noises when turning or vibrations while driving. A high-quality axle is built to handle the movements. Ours use precision machined joints, heat-treated components, and premium neoprene boots, all designed to reduce NVH and extend part life. So when you replace the CV axle, you're not just swapping parts, you're restoring smooth, reliable power delivery and a quiet ride.